Someone wanted me to try talking around my sneezes. I don't know how long this is going to work. It's kind of difficult to do two things at once. I think I'm almost all sneezed out. I can just keep trying. These are really wet and really big. They're induced with a little rolled up piece of a paper towel because tissues didn't work quite as well. I think it's because they're stiffer. Paper towels are. I don't really have any allergies except dust. But it takes a lot to really get me to sneeze when it comes to I think talking is making me need to sneeze more, so it's actually helping me sneeze. It's definitely helping. Oh, my screen is so messy, I need to wipe it off. So this is what I sound like, for those who were curious. I don't really like my voice, but maybe other people will. I think I'll try a few more. Found my tickle spot in my nose. The right nostril seems to be a lot easier to induce with today. Ugh, I'm so messy right now. Gross. This is certainly making the recording longer. All the other sneezes in this were just kind of chopped together. But I figured I'd go ahead and make this part of the video the same video, so wouldn't have to make two separate ones. I need some tissue. This is so gross. I love doing this. It's addictive. I didn't think I would like inducing as much as I like listening. I'm really enjoying myself. It's pretty fun. I didn't think I would find myself doing this a Saturday afternoon, sitting in my house by myself, making myself sneeze. But here I am, the big old snotty nose, just sitting here by myself. One more. Just one more. And I'm done for now. Thank you for everyone who subscribed to me. I just started and I didn't think I'd get so many subscribers, so really appreciate it. Thanks for listening.